What's up, y'all? This is... Can't even make an intro here. Mr. Dude here, sniffing the duck seasoning. We're gonna do a duck review and basically it's a cooking video.
Yay!
We're gonna do this on the duck's waterfowl seasoning. And I'll show you guys what we're gonna be cooking with here. So we got these three right here. These three are the best I can think of. And we're going to be mixing this into our flour. And we're going to be using deer meat. So go pick these up offline at Duck's Waterfowl Co. As you can see, Duck's Waterfowl Co. You got your all meat, you got your smoky barbecue, and you got your wild game. These three are my favorite. Also come in buffalo. Buffalo's more for the ones that, don't want the heat. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get this deer out and get that in the mixture. Alright guys, we got our deer meat here. Luscious deer meat. So I know a lot of people are sitting there saying, hey, why are you putting that? Why are you taking the tenderloins and doing that? Well, let me tell you, they're good fried. So what we're going to do, we're just going to drop it in there, get it all floured up.
Yeah. What? Okay.
So we have that. Now, if you really want to spice it up, we're going to throw in some of this wild game. Really good Duck's Waterfowl Co. Get it up in there. Get some Duck's all meat. It's got that salt and pepper to it. And then final, smoky barbecue. It's good, it's gonna make you cough. Okay, get it out.
What that turns on? Which one's that one?
And now, you got your mixture. Now you just want to stir it up in there. Get it all in there. I'll show you what the final result would look like. Okay. The final result is going to look something like this. I know you guys can see. Give me 1 second. It's actually a little bit more darker than what the camera actually makes it look like. It's a good old seasoning there. We'll be putting all this into that. Now, before you guys keep asking too, I am not affiliated with Duck's Waterfowl Co., nor am I sponsored by them. I've just seen a video from Flair. If you haven't seen Flair's on YouTube, he's pretty cool. And he's the one that got me basically started on this Duck's Waterfowl stuff. And honestly, guys, it's been pretty good. I have not found one I haven't liked yet. We got little man here trying to sniff it again, probably. We're gonna get this final piece. And then we'll throw this in the fryer.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you guys in the fryer. Alright, y'all. This is the final result. Don't mind these over here. They're all perfect inside. And let me tell you, they do taste freaking amazing. But, alright, coronavirus. But, I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out. See you later.